In this video, I'll guide you through how to sort your contact list in Brevo. Whether you're organizing your contacts for a marketing campaign or simply tidying up your CRM, having your contacts sorted in an orderly fashion is essential. It makes it easier to find the information you need quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Brevo website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL brevo.com. Once the page loads, sign in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to your dashboard, which is your central hub for managing various aspects of your account. Once you're on the Brevo dashboard, look for the CRM section. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management area, is where you manage all your customer interactions and data. Click on the CRM tab to navigate to this section. This is the first step in accessing your contact list. Now that you're in the CRM section, you will see an option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where all your contact information is stored, and from here, you can manage, edit, and sort your contacts as needed. Once you have accessed your contacts, you'll notice an email column. This column has arrows pointing both up and down, indicating that it can be sorted either in ascending or descending order. Click on the email column header. This action will allow you to sort your contacts based on their email addresses, making it easier to locate specific contacts or arrange them according to your preference. After clicking the email column header, the list will automatically sort. If you click it once, it will sort in ascending order. If you click it again, it will switch to descending order. This flexibility allows you to manage your contacts in a way that best suits your needs, ensuring that you can quickly find or organize your information. And that's it. You have successfully sorted your contact list in Brevo. This simple process can significantly enhance your workflow by keeping your contacts organized and accessible. Remember, having an organized contact list can save you time and improve your efficiency, especially when dealing with large volumes of data or preparing for marketing campaigns. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to sort your contact list in Brevo. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.